Ballet, Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing a Battements tendu in our first position with a Demi plie. You're going to do your preparation. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do a tendu devant. You're going to bring it back to your first, and then Demi plie. You're going to do that same thing a second time. Tendu, first, Demi plie. Now you're going to go a la seconde. Tendu side, first, Demi plie. And then straighten. Tendu a la seconde, first, Demi plie. Now it's time to do a derriere. Derriere, first, Demi plie. Derriere, first, Demi plie. And now to the side again. A la seconde, first, Demi plie. A la seconde, first, Demi plie. Time to do the other foot. Tendu, devant, Demi plie. Tendu, devant, Demi plie. Tendu, a la seconde, Demi plie. Tendu, a la seconde, Demi plie. Tendu, derriere, Demi plie. Tendu, derriere, Demi plie. Tendu, a la seconde, Demi plie. And then tendu, a la seconde, Demi plie. And then finish.